Good morning friends, myself Shankar Das, BTech in Chemical Engineering from NIT Jalandhar. Today we are going to discuss about the most important topic for JEE Mains, that is differential equation. What is a differential equation? The differential equation is the equation which consists of a differential coefficient. Now what is the question guys is what is a differential coefficient? So differential coefficients are written in dy by dx, y bar or something else. Now what is how we can write a, let us suppose an equation. Every equation is written in the form y is equal to fx. Now what is y? It's a dependent variable. What is x? And it's an independent variable. When we differentiate it, we write it in the form dy by dx is equal to f dash x. Okay. Now we have to. This is the equation which is known as differential equation. This is the dependent variable and this is independent variable. Now we have to discuss about the types of a differential equation. There are mainly two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation. One is partial derivative differential equation. Now what is the ordinary differential equation? Let us suppose the equation y is equal to fx. So it consists of one variable, and in partial differential equation y is equal to f depend upon two. But one is x and one is z. So this is two type. This depend upon two variables. This depend on one variable. And when we differentiate this equation, we get ordinary differential equation. And as we have discussed earlier, this by solving this we get ordinary differential equation. Now question is how we will differentiate this equation, and we will get partial differential equation. So differentiating this equation, we will get del y by del x, comma del y by del z. These are two terms which we will get in this equation, and same thing del y z. This is the equation, two differential equation, one this and one we have studied earlier. So we have discussed about two things, ordinary differential equation and or. Now we are going to discuss about the order. What is the order? It's the highest power of a highest degree. Highest power of the highest degree. This is known as the order of the differential equation. And highest, what is the degree? And it's the highest power of the highest differential order. Suppose a question dqy by dx cube plus 4 root dx cube plus 5. Let us suppose this was a differential equation of this, and when we are going to find the order, so we have discussed the highest degree is known as the order. So highest degree is 3, as this is not, because this is in the bracket, it's a cube, it's a third derivative. This is known as order. Order is 3. Now what is the degree? Degree is 2. Why this is 2? Because we are going to discuss 2 because when highest we have not root, we do not contain any root in the equation. When it is equal to 0, we will take this to that side. We will take dy by dx cube plus 5. Here comes 16. By rooting, scaling both sides, d cube x d cube y by dx cube. So here comes scale by scaling both sides. So this is degree, highest power, highest degree of that order. Then this is the order degree of the differential equation. Now we have left with the one more topic, making a differential equation. So how we are going to make a differential equation? Let us suppose a question making a let us suppose a differential equation family of a straight line. How we can write a family of a straight line? Y is equal to mx. Now how we can write a differential equation for this? By differentiating it, dy by dx plus equal to m. So this is a differential equation for family of a straight line. So we are done with the introduction for the differential equation. Thank you guys.